and I'm back with another video. It's time to learn an awesome Premiere Pro effect. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll make something similar to what you can use in your own videos. So it's time to move over to Premiere Pro and start editing. So once you open Premiere Pro, go to File, click on New and then click on Project. Let's go ahead and change the project name. And then let's go and click on OK. This opens up the workspace for us. Let's go and import the video that we want to edit. You can do it in two ways. You can go to File, then go to Import, and then you can choose the video that you want to edit, or else you can do it in other way, that is directly drag and drop it on the timeline. We have got our video that we will be editing. Let's go and play it. This looks good. So next what we need to do is, we won't be using audio in this tutorial, so let's go ahead and remove the audio. After this, we have to find a portion of the clip wherein the girl looks at the camera. So this is the main thing that we have to check for, because this will define the exact intro part. So let's go and check out. This portion seems to be great. Okay, now what we need to do is, we need to cut this clip at this particular frame. Then right click on the video and go to add frame hold. This will freeze up the video clip that we will be editing. Next, let's duplicate this portion. You can do it by pressing Alt and then just dragging it on top. Let's go and play this. This seems to be great. Now we need to create a mask around the girl. So let's zoom the video by 200%. Go to opacity and then click on the pen tool. I'll just fast forward this clip so that you don't have to wait for long. Our mask looks great. Few more points, and there, we are ready to go. Let's zoom out, and then we'll create keyframes and scale the video from 100% to 140%. This will add an animation effect to the mask. This looks great. We can smoothen this animation by going to the last keyframe, then right clicking on it and click on Ease In. Next, we perform the same action to the first keyframe as well, but over here we'll be doing it as Ease Out. Next, let's go to Effects and search for black and white. You will get this in Video Effects, Image Control and Black and White. Just drag this effect and drop on the background clip. This will make the background clip look black and white. So let's go ahead and add one more effect to it. So go and type Gaussian Blur. You will get this in Video Effects, Blur and Sharpen. Click on Gaussian Blur and drag and drop it over here. So next, let's make blurriness 25. and click on repeat edge pixels. Then right click on the mask and create a nest. So next, let's go to effects and add an effect to the mask. So search for radial shadow. You can get it in video effects, perspective, radial shadow. Just drag it and drop it on the mask. This will add a background shadow. But as you can see, the shadow seems to be blurred. So let's go ahead and sharpen the shadow. So to do that, increase the opacity of the as 100%. There you go. But even you can see that the shadow seems to be a bit blurred at the edges. So let's go ahead and make it sharp. Double click on the nested video. Come to effects control. And make mask path as 0. Now you can see the difference. The shadow that we had added has become sharper. So let's make a cutout effect. Go to shadow color and change the shadow color to white. Yeah, our shadow looks proper now. So now what we need to do is we have to adjust the shadow in such a manner that it looks like a cutout. So let's go ahead and do it. To do that, first we'll have to go to projection distance and make it as 5. Then let's go ahead and change the light source. We'll have to adjust the light source in such a way that it just comes in the background of the mask and it looks as if it is a cutout. But what I feel is we are not getting the cutout effect in a better way. So let's go ahead and change the projection distance to 10. This is perfect. Let's play the video. So next what we need to do is we'll have to add an ink effect that we saw at the beginning of the video. So let's go ahead and do it. So I'll just drag and drop this ink effect. Be careful that the ink effect should be in a PNG form and there shouldn't be any background color to it. So let's go ahead and create a keyframe. At the start of the keyframe, our ink effect will be bigger since we want to create an animation wherein the ink effect and the mask moves in an opposite direction. So let's go ahead and create one more keyframe wherein we'll decrease the size of the ink effect. This seems great. Let's go and change the color of the ink splash. We can do this by going to effects, search for change to color, and drag and drop this effect on top of the ink splash. Let's go to effects control and search for change to color. At this point we'll keep from to white only and let's change white portion of 2 to purple. And let's go ahead and click on OK. Change hue to hue, lightness and saturation. And boom, there you go. Let's just go ahead and play this. This looks nice. Next, let's go ahead and add text to it. Once you type your text, go ahead and change the scaling and the position of the text. Now what we need to do is, we'll create keyframes for this. At the start of the keyframe, we'll make the text bit bigger so that it comes simultaneously with the ink splash. And at the end of the keyframe, let's reposition it to where it was. And let's go ahead and play it. There you go. This is what we wanted. As we play the video, we can see that there is something that is missing. Yeah, you are thinking correctly. That's the transition. So let's go ahead and add an effect over here. Just go to effect and search for deep to white. Just drag it and drop it over here and decrease the size of this. And let's play it again. Yes, this looks perfect. So at this point you can either go and directly export this video, or else let's go ahead and do some color corrections. Click on colors. We'll do the color corrections for the first clip. Let's go ahead and decrease the temperature value. I'll also decrease the tint value of it. Let's increase the exposure a bit. Also increase the contrast. Let's decrease the highlights a bit. Even the shadows. We'll just decrease the white of it and even the black. So yeah, there you see the difference. So let's go ahead and play it. As you can see, we have added the color correction to the first clip, and we have to just copy paste the same attributes to the second one as well. So go to effects control, click on lumetric colors. We'll copy the attributes from here. Then click on the nested video. And come to the effects control and paste it. Yes, the colors have been exactly matched. So let's go ahead and play it. Yeah, there you go. So let's go and export the video. Go to file, click on export and click on media. Change the format to H.264 and let's not change anything else over here. And let's render the video. So thanks guys for watching the video. If you got any value from this video, then go ahead and show some love by clicking on the like button, and do subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading videos every week. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay home and stay safe.